Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Femke, and in today's video I wanted to share with you my blue color picks, kind of like regarding the new color of the year 2020 by Pantone. Each year they come out with a specific color that is called the color of the year, and this year it is called Classic Blue, if I remember correctly. I feel like it's a little bit of a bluish teal tone, but yeah, just to share some of my favorite bluish colors. They don't have to be exactly the same as the color of the year, but yeah, I just wanted to share my blue picks. So yeah, I had a great excuse to do so. So the first one is by Catrice. It's called Another Day, Another Blue. It is super metallic-y. I really love it. In this video, I'm just going to swatch everything on top of one of my nail wheels as usual. I have also shared some of these colors in previous nail polish of the week video, so if you want to check that out, I have an entire playlist with all of my single color swatches on top of my own nails. But this is a beautiful icy metallic blue color, very pretty. The second one is by the Essence Crystal Power Nail Polish Collection. It's kind of like a darker blue grayish tone, and it's called 06 Be Passionate. So yeah, I'm just going to share a lot of different finishes, types of nail polish in this video. As I mentioned, these aren't exactly like the classic blue color of the year, but I pretty much like these. And of course, you can always decide which colors you will get yourself. I know that most of the colors that I'm sharing in this video are still available. You can get them at your local drugstore or even from the web stores of those specific brands, so you don't have to be scared that you can't get your hands on these anymore, because you actually still can. Another one is by Essence, and this one is called, let me check, Mermaid Tails. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to show you these names because the print is kind of super reflective, so I really have to tilt a bottle to show you what it's actually called. But yeah, this one is by the Shine Last and Go collection by Essence. They came out with 50 new shades in, I think it was spring summer 2019, so last year, and these colors are still available. They're really inexpensive, about €1.69, which is, in my opinion, for an 8 ml bottle, really inexpensive. But that Essence color is definitely a tealish mermaid color. Next up, a color from the OPI Hello Kitty collection, which is called My Pal Joey. This is a perfect primary color blue, in my opinion. I really love it. It is super creamy, and you just need 2 thin layers to make it completely opaque. Sometimes blue colors can be a little bit of a pain in the butt to get nicely opaque and not streaky or patchy or anything like that, but even on my usually really long nails, it is perfect in just 2 coats. First up, I'm just going to apply 1 coat of everything, and then off camera I'm going to apply a second, so in the end you will see the full end result of all colors. Then this color by China Glaze, it's from the My Little Pony collection. It's called Too Busy Being Awesome, and this is in my opinion, a little bit more towards the true tone of the color of the year, which was the classic blue. You can definitely Google it if you're curious about what the color of the year actually looks like, but this is more of a teal-ish blue color, in my opinion. Of course, everyone will see this color a little bit different because we all have our own reference and everything, and everybody sees colors a little bit different anyways. Also, if you are watching this on a specific device, it will look different on a phone, it will look different on an iPad or a tablet or anything like that. It even looks different on my personal computer screen compared to my laptop. So yeah, it definitely kind of depends on what you're watching this video, how the colors will look. So if you want any additional information of some of these colors, you can just Google it and just look at some different swatch photos as well. But the next color I'm going to swatch is called So Blue Without You. This one is by China Glaze as well. It's more of a shimmery metallic kind of polish. I really love these polishes because usually metallic or glittery shimmery tones tend to dry really quickly as well. And usually you only need 2 layers to get them completely opaque. But yeah, it's definitely one of my favorites. Then I also wanted to share some of the glittery Holo Taco collection polishes. These are from the holiday holiday collection, so they were from like, I think it was December or something last year. But this one is so stunning. It's called Frostlight. It's like a lighter blue packed with holographic glitter. It actually has kind of like a light blue gelish base as well, so you can definitely get this one a little bit more opaque if you apply to the 3 coats. It is packed with glitter, so that is actually a really positive thing. If you want more opaque effect, just go for 2 to 3 layers on top of your natural nails as well. Then this one, I just couldn't skip it either. It's from the same holiday collection. It's called Midnight Spark. I love this polish. I've used it a lot already. There are some like design videos coming up in which I actually use this polish as well. I'm pretty much obsessed. It's a beautiful dark bluish purple kind of tone. I feel like this one isn't anything close towards the Pantone color of the year at all, but it just is a beautiful purplish blue tone. And since I'm sharing my favorite blue tones in this video as we speak already, I just felt like I couldn't skip this one. It's beautiful, especially if you are into glitter and holographic stuff. Definitely check it out. Another one is called Royalty Blue. Again, this one is from Holo Taco. This one was actually in their launch collection, but I know that you can get all of their polishes separately as well. The only downside is that if you are from or living in Europe, I have to say, the chances are high that the shipping costs are already quite expensive, but you have to pay additional import costs as well. That is something I can't promise. I didn't have any additional costs with both of my orders, but there is a high chance that you have to pay additional import costs. So just a little heads up about that. I can change it, I can promise it. Sometimes it just goes through flawlessly and sometimes you have to pay up. So yeah, that's kind of like a bummer. But the next color is kind of similar to the Holo Taco Royalty Blue one, and this one is by Essence Cosmetics. It's from the Shine Less Than Go collection and it's called Electric, with a lot of eyes at the trick. I have shared this polish in a nail polish of the week video as well. I pretty much love it. It is very similar to the Holo Taco one. It's a little bit more sheer, so you might have to apply a 3rd color, but if you compare prices, the Essence one is only $169 and the Holo Taco one is about $12, I think. So yeah, just pick whatever you want to. Then another color is by Sinful Colors, and unfortunately Sinful Colors isn't sold in the Netherlands anymore, at least not anywhere close to where I live. I can't find them anywhere. And that really is a bummer because they were quite inexpensive, about €2 a bottle. And yeah, I really love their formula. Some colors can be a little bit thin, like this one. This one is called Blue Bayou, by the way. It has a nice like bluish shimmer in there as well. It is nicely buildable, so with 2 coats it's way more opaque than the first swatch you see here. But yeah, it's just discontinued for some reason. The next one is called Me, Myself and My Polish. It is by Catrice Cosmetics. You guys know me, I'm a big fan of Catrice's polishes. They are just really nice to work with. They're quite inexpensive as well. I think their Icon Nails collection, like nail polish range, is like €3 a bottle, which is quite nice. I think there is like 11 milliliters in a bottle, so they actually do last a long time. Especially with me, they last a long time because I have such a big nail polish stash that I will rarely use up a colored nail polish, or it has to be like a basic color, like a beige or a white or a black or something. But yeah, this was just a really nice dark blue. Next one is also a really nice dark blue. It's by H&M. It is called Blue Bottle and it has a lot of beautiful sparkle and shimmer in there. I really love this one. I just recently rediscovered H&M's nail polishes again. I actually have 2 like swatch and haul unboxing videos of both times that I actually ordered their polishes, and I'm pretty much obsessed. I really love how good they are. They aren't that expensive either. I think they're like $4.95 a bottle, so it isn't that bad, and the color range is quite cool as well. Then next up, another one by Essence. This one is called City of Stars. It's super sparkly. It is just gorgeous. If you are really into dark blues, like galaxy kind of colors, this one is right up your alley. And I definitely guarantee you that it is opaque in just 2 thin coats. It is so pretty. I really need to use this one more often. I have it in like my PR box that I got with all 50 shades, and it's just so gorgeous. It is definitely one of those colors that just catches your eye right away. In like a sea of polishes, that one will definitely get your attention. Then another one is by Catrice. This one is a little bit similar to the previous one by Catrice, but a little bit more dark, and it's called All Roads Lead to the Ocean. Definitely one of my favorites as well. I would highly suggest to just apply 2 layers of base coat whenever you are going to apply this on top of your natural nails, because it is so highly pigmented, it will definitely stain your nails. And as you guys know, stained nails aren't a bad thing, it's just the top layer of the nail that is a little bit discolored because of the high pigment. It's nothing that you have to be scared of. It's not dirty or disgusting or anything like that. And I would highly suggest to not buff it off either, because every time you buff your nails, there will be a layer of your nail like removed, and your nails will become really thin and really brittle, and they will bend and break, and that's not a cool thing. You don't want that. So if you do like blue colors, just apply 2 layers of base coat to prevent any like staining or anything like that. But next color, or at least glittery polish that I'm showing, is by Sally Hansen. This one is called Tidal Rave. This color, I'm not quite sure if it is still available, because I've had it in my collection for about 4, maybe 5 years or something. It's been a while, at least years. It's a clear base. It has dark blue, like different like tones of blue glitter in there, and it's just really cute and I love it. I totally love to apply it on top of a white or some kind of blue shade, and it's just a really fun polish. But that were already all of my blue picks. Of course, you can decide what color is your favorite. If you really want something that matches the classic blue Pantone 2020 color of the year, that's totally up to you. I just wanted to share my personal favorites from my collection of nail polishes. And yeah, I really hope you liked it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments down below as well. Which tone of blue is your favorite? I'm really curious about that too. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.